Soil and groundwater are vital resources for humans and ecosystems. When they become contaminated, environmental agencies will take corresponding measures, demanding improvements to safeguard public health and living environments. To aid in remediating polluted soils and groundwater, the Ministry of Environment has drawn upon experiences from abroad to establish a cross-agency cooperation mechanism. After remediating contaminated land, it is revitalized to promote sustainable use. The Ministry of Environment takes the lead in collaborating with government agencies to assist stakeholders of national public land in improving pollution through the Soil and Groundwater Pollution Remediation Fund, aligning with the needs of local governments. The land is then repurposed for environmental facilities or other public uses, generating revenue. Through this cross-agency cooperation, not only are pollution problems resolved, but a win-win situation is also created. The Ministry of Environment chose the polluted site in the Dagang section within the Nangang Industrial Park in Nantou City, Nantou County, as a demonstration case in 2022. This site is national land, and previous investigations have revealed the presence of the organic pollutant, xylene, in the soils. After numerous rounds of discussions, the Ministry of Environment collaborated with the National Property Administration of the Ministry of Finance and the Environmental Protection Bureau of Nantou County to establish a three-way cooperation model. The Soil and Groundwater Pollution Remediation Fund was first used for remediation. Upon completing the remediation, an organic waste recycling center will be built on site. The profits from its operation will be reinvested into the fund. This not only accelerates resolving soil pollution, but also addresses local household kitchen waste issues, contributing to the sustainable operations of the fund. To effectively improve pollution, the Ministry of Environment conducted detailed soils investigations beforehand, including sampling at various points and depths. These samples were screened on-site and sent to the laboratory for testing, accurately determining the extent of pollution. This helped estimate the volume of polluted soils needing treatment. After the aforementioned investigation and assessment, the excavation and backfilling method was adopted for pollution remediation at this site. Based on the concentration of pollutants, different areas were designated. Soil with higher pollution levels was excavated and transported to qualified disposal organizations, while uncontaminated soils was backfilled into the excavation pits. This approach, combined with precise preliminary investigations, effectively reduced the volume of polluted soils transported off-site, shortened the remediation period to less than 1 year, and significantly saved on remediation costs. The polluted soils removed from the site was entrusted to qualified organizations for cleaning, disposal, and reuse. After removing pollutants, the soils was transformed into valuable products, such as various filling materials, ensuring that the polluted soils no longer poses a threat to public health and promoting resource recycling. Additionally, during soils transportation, sealed trucks equipped with leak-proof collection devices were used to prevent sewage leakage. Before leaving the site, vehicles were thoroughly washed to avoid spreading waste on the road surface or emitting odors. After the completion of remediation at the Dagang site, the Nantou County government will seek tender to build an organic waste recycling center there, addressing local issues with kitchen waste and organic waste disposal. The future profits of the waste recycling center will continue to be reinvested into the Soil and Groundwater Pollution Remediation Fund, contributing to the fund's sustainable operations and allowing for further investment in remediating other polluted sites. The cross-agency cooperation model implemented at the Dagang site can serve as a reference for improving land pollution nationwide. By aligning with various local needs, polluted land can be revitalized for purposes such as parking lots, renewable energy facilities, economic and trade zones, and other public uses, and generate revenue. The Ministry of Environment's Brownfield Revitalization Policy aims to regenerate polluted land. This initiative is exemplified by the Dagang section in Nantou City, where cross-agency cooperation combines environmental protection with sustainable land use. This collaboration accelerates progress, safeguards public health, meets local needs, and promotes regional development by revitalizing land. Improving contaminated land benefits the local area, creating a win-win situation. In the future, the Ministry of Environment will continue to collaborate with local governments, the National Property Administration of the Ministry of Finance, and other government agencies to promote the Brownfield Revitalization Policy. The goal is sustainable land use, leaving a better environment for future generations.